Can I request all the facilitator come up? Sa lahat po ng facilitator, pwede po umakyat.
Mga represent daw po.
And Ma'am Jane, can you bring Sir Teddy? Sir, Sir, can you bring one chair for Sir Teddy? And Ma'am Joyce, you can put down. Yes, sa lahat ng facilitator, you can come up and join us. Kuha din kayo ng microphone nyo. Ma'am, can you ako ng microphone mo? Wala pa pang flower dyan, para kay Sir. Ma'am Love, please come up.
Ma'am Love, Sister Kelly, please go up
Ma'am
on the
Ken, take yung
stage.
microphone. Ma'am Ken, microphone. On. Alright. Okay na po.
Nakaka-relate ka dun, happy ka ha.
Sir Secretary.
Walang
Wala siyang flower. Ang ating ano.
Sir Kelly, come here.
Okay na po.
Sige, play mo.
Mamaya ka, Sir.
Never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got a chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, know that close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And if we can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. We all protect me, and that's what friends are for.
We love you, and we are lucky to have you. Sir, Sigari, you want to say something?
For me, since I was a student until now, I'm always grateful to Sir Teddy for the opportunity. Lagi niya akong binibigyan ng surprises sa buhay, and this is the best part, the best moment in my life.
Wala, continue pa rin tayo.
I just want to apologize to my parents. Kasi twice po akong sinabihan na maganda ng final assessment. But because conflicts sa schedule ko sir, hindi ako apologize. Tapos minsan hindi na ako active sa NCT. But now, since he decided to continue, so I request na resend it to the Thank you so much for everything. Actually, guys, mahihayin ako nung una, pero may mga panakatang mukha ko. So,
Thank you so much. Dear. So, Mama Dua natin, ups and downs. So, I always keep to support you. Yes,
Thank you, Sir Ted, for giving me the chance to work with NCME. So I promise to make sure that all my students will be competitive and outstanding. Don't worry.
Sir Ted, I want to say thank you, and I'm so proud to be part of NCMA. And thank you. I'm always be happy for your success. And I always say this to you, be kind even though the world is hard.
Hello po, sir. Thank you so much. I love you. So, ano lang, laban lang sa life, laban lang talaga. Keep on moving, keep climbing. It's the climb! Yes! Thank you.
Hello, Sir Ted. Thank you for being a friend. Even when we have no time to see each other, but I'm just fingers away from you. I will always be your friend. Love you.
Hindi natin nagkaya, pero we love you. Andito na ako lagi sa'yo mula noon ng ganyan. Nag-out-focus.
Yes, thank you. Okay, thank you so much, Mama, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
advance to my dearest facilitators. Without you, so we cannot run properly our institution. From your effort, the time, and of course, your passion. So without that, we cannot create a big more knowledge, sharing the knowledge to each and every one for our student. And the next batch also, we hoping that you are taking care of them. So thank you so much for the SAA family and to all the girls graduates. Thank you so much for your support and your love and dedication. So this journey is not only end by today. This journey you can bring in anywhere that you will going for your journey. So thank you so much, and any circumstances or problem, we will solve that in a nice talk and conversation. Thank you so much to all, and I appreciate all of you facilitators and all the students. Thank you, and have a blessed day to everyone.
Okay, good up sa Teddy. Ayan, to alam, yan ang sunod po yung nanalo kasi wala na tayong time. Okay, para sa mga nanalo ng best dress, best, most in
So, this is the awarding for Masquerade King and Queen. So, our board of judges, they are the one to choose or pick for this King and Queen.
Okay.
So, let Ma'am Doris to
Pwede ba
announce.
dalawa yung queen? Pwede dalawa yung queen? Isa.
Sure, ay isa lang po. Isa lang po.
Isa lang.
Isang king, isang queen from the students. And of course, for the facilitator will also have
Okay.
isa lang din po.
For the student, I choose as a king Cambodia. Sa Cambodia. And yung daughter ko is Luciano. Yes. And then for the facilitator, I choose Mom Love and Sir Isagani. Yes. Sir Isagani, love ko na.
Call the student first, Mr. Kabujan and Miss Chloe to come up on the stage to receive your gift.
Alright, once again, congratulations to Mr. Mortanis and Miss Chloe.
Thank you so much. Alright, once again, may I call Mom Love and Sir Sagani to receive your token.